Yo, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be lit because I have something awesome and completely different on my desk. The thing is, nowadays a lot of people want to come into YouTube, be a YouTuber and start their own channel. But the problem is most of them do not know what equipment is required to get started in the most simple way. And to solve that, Avermedia has actually made something called as a YouTuber starter pack for them. It includes all the basic necessary items to get started as a YouTuber. Like you get a studio quality microphone, a 1080p Full HD webcam and also a capture card to record videos up to Full HD at 60 frames per second. These are the most basic and important things that a beginner needs, and in this video I'm gonna unbox it and show you how the setup will look like and give you my review on this kit. Alright then, let's get started with the video. By the way, this kit is called the Livestreamer 311 and is made by Avermedia. So on the box we've got all the specs of the product. There's a picture of the microphone here. It's a unidirectional studio quality microphone. And on the other side we got the details regarding the webcam and the capture card which can record videos in 1080p at 60 frames per second. We'll talk about all that later. First let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. There we go. Let's see what do we have on the inside. Oh, what's this? Okay, this is the 1080p webcam which I was talking about. Next we've got a huge box which consists of the microphone. The model of the microphone is AM310. It's a USB mic and is compatible with both Windows as well as Mac operating systems. It's a studio grade microphone, can't wait to unbox and check it out. And the final product in the kit is this capture card. This is their new model, the GC311 Live Gamer Mini. Using this you can capture anything on your screen, monitor or even laptop at 1080p resolution up to 60 frames per second. So that's it, these were all the items you got in the starter kit. Now let me unbox them one by one and show you the products. First let's start with the capture card. So the GC311 Live Gamer Mini comes in this sort of box packing. We've got a picture of the product on the front, Avermedia's logo on all the sides, and that's pretty much it. Let's open it and check out the product. So on the inside we've got another black box with the brand logo at the top, and here it is. On opening it we've got the capture card at the top. Oh wow, this thing is so small. It's very sleek and portable and feels super lightweight in the hand, weighs only around 74 grams. The model of the capture card is GC311 Live Gamer Mini, has a textured pattern on the front and a status LED indicator just above that. On the bottom side we've got some info regarding the product and some rubber foot pads on all the corners. The build quality of the product is also nice. The body is made of high quality plastic and has a two-tone matte plus gloss finishing. Let me show you all the available connectivity ports. There's a micro USB port, a HDMI out, a HDMI in and a microphone. So that's it, that was our full overview on the capture card. Next on the list we've got the microphone. It comes in this huge box, has a picture of the product on the front and the model of the mic is AM310. You can use this thing even for direct live streaming to either YouTube or even Twitch platform. Alright then, let's check out the highlights of the microphone. It offers high quality recording, has zero latency monitoring, it's USB 2.0 plug and play, and as well as offers headphone volume adjust and mute control features. Talking about the specs, it's a unidirectional condenser microphone with a cardioid polar pattern, can record audio in 16-bit 48 kHz and has a frequency response range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Okay, let me unbox it and show you the microphone. So here it is, we've got the AM310 mic at the top, nicely packed on this tray. Whoa, this thing is big in size. Let me just take it out of the tray. Oh my god, this thing is quite heavy. It's entirely made of metal and feels solid in the hand. Along with that, you've got some accessories in the box which includes a stand and a base for the microphone and a USB cable to connect it to your computer. Now let me finally show you the microphone. So this is how Avermedia's multi-purpose USB microphone looks like. You can use it for voiceovers, podcasting, live streaming or even for singing. The build quality of the product is also top notch. The body is entirely made of metal. On the front we've got a knob over here to adjust the headphone volume while monitoring, and there's even a mic mute function. You see this mesh over here, even this is made of metal. And going to the back there's a 3.5mm headphone jack for real-time monitoring, and a tiny switch above that to switch between the PC and the monitor mode. Well, that's it, that was our overview. And yes, on the bottom side, it also has a USB port to connect this thing to your PC. So that was our complete look at AverMedia's AM310. And the final product we'll be checking out from the kit is this 1080p webcam. It's called the Livestreamer Cam 313 from AverMedia. As I've told you earlier, this is a USB 2.0 plug-and-play 1080p Full HD webcam that can record up to 30 frames per second. Talking about the specs, it's got a 1x2.7 inch CMOS sensor with a 2 megapixel resolution, has fixed focus and also has a built-in microphone. So here it is guys, on opening the box we've got the camera at the top. And this is how it looks like. It comes only in black color and has a swivel plus tripod ready design. That means you can swivel the camera like this from left to right position as per your convenience. So along with it you also get a user manual in the box. Make sure to read that. That's it, now let's have a closer look at the camera. So as I've told you earlier, it's a USB plug-and-play model, and the webcam has a 2 megapixel camera on the front, and also has built-in dual microphones. The best part is you can fully adjust the angle in either left or right direction, even increase the height like this, clip it onto your monitor or even your laptop and use it with great convenience. Talking about the build quality is also nice. Love the CD-like patterns on both the sides of the camera. And it also has a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom, so you can even fix it on a tripod. So that's it, we're finally done with unboxing all the items from the kit. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly set up all these products and give you a complete demo on them. So as you can see, I'm completely done with the setup part. The setup process was super simple as mostly everything was just plug and play. To get the best out of these, you need to install AverMedia software called as Rec Central 4, using which you can manage all these products at a single place, record and save videos, and even live stream directly from over there. Okay, let's power them on and see how they perform. Alright guys, so I'm back. As you can see, we're completely done with the setup. I've installed the live streamer camera on top of my monitor, the microphone in front of me, and I've also connected everything using the capture card from AverMedia. Right now, whatever video you're seeing at the top right corner of your display is from that AverMedia's live streamer camera. And along with that, the audio what you're hearing right now is from this AverMedia's microphone. This is how it sounds like. So talking about the webcam guys, AverMedia's this webcam, it's a 2 megapixel Full HD webcam and can shoot videos in 1080p resolution at a max frame rate of 30 frames per second, and that is how it looks like. I'm definitely going to show you a small video clip of that in full screen as well at a later part, so that you can actually check out the video quality. So the thing is guys, one more thing I'd like to mention is right now I'm using 2 small LED lights over here to light up my face. Otherwise the overall video was a bit dark and I didn't like that. That's why I'm using these 2 lights. No matter whatever webcam you use, not only this one, you definitely need to use some LED lights, otherwise the video is not going to be that good guys. So yeah, let me just turn them off and show you how the video quality actually looks like without using LED lights. So just give me a second. 1 down and 2 off. So this is how you're gonna get the default video quality from this webcam. There are no adjustment options, you can't do anything. So yeah, you definitely need to use some LED lights to brighten up your face. Now it looks better, right? Yep. So yeah, that was about the video quality. The video quality looks decent, not that great I would say, but again for gaming or streaming that is more than enough, because you're not going to notice any video quality difference in that small box at the corner of your display. So yeah, that was about the live streamer camera. And talking about the audio, the microphone we're using over here, it has a cardioid polar pattern. It's a unidirectional microphone and the audio quality is actually very nice. It records audio in 16 bits at 48 kilohertz. And I really like the audio quality on this product. Like just check out my audio guys. Hello, check 1 2 3. We're right now recording this audio on AverMedia's provided free microphone in the box. The model is, it's a USB microphone and the model is AM310. So what do you guys think about the audio quality? Do leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. As far as my thoughts go, I think the audio quality is very good. There's great clarity in the audio. You can just clearly hear my vocals. And yeah, it's pretty damn good, man. And it also has a headphone monitor at the back side. So you can actually plug in your headphones, turn the switch to the headphone monitor thing, and you can actually hear yourself like, how is the audio quality coming? Is everything working all right? You can just check out using that feature. That's also a really good thing. And yeah, so that was about the microphone. Talking about the capture card, it's a Live Gamer Mini capture card, guys. The model is Live Gamer Mini, and it can record gameplay videos or anything on your monitor at a max resolution of 1080p at 60 frames per second. It also has 1080p 60 fps pass through. So yeah, now we're gonna just play some small game for some time. Let's play PUBG. So you can check out the recorded video quality and how the audio quality, everything, how it feels like. So you can just check out this sample to get a brief idea on the quality. Alright then, let's get started. Okay, so like this, you can not only record gameplays, guys. One more good thing is you can also directly stream everything from the AverMedia's Rec Central 4 software. You can directly stream it to YouTube or Twitch or only YouTube and Twitch. That's a very good thing. The best part about using these capture cards is the CPU doesn't need to take extra load of recording the video, guys. All of that is done with the capture card. So you can just smoothly enjoy gameplay videos on your PC. So yeah, it's a very simple way, right, to record gameplay videos, record audio, get your video, and overlay that video on top of the gameplay. It's like super easy, all-in-one solution. Use one software, use their provided equipment, and get the final result in a super simple way. Okay, so I've given you guys a simple example by using this kit for gaming and streaming purpose. But not only that, you can use it for a variety of applications like giving computer tutorials or some explanations, podcasting, and the mic is also good for recording songs at home. You can use this kit for a variety of applications. Well, that was my video on the Livestreamer 311 kit from AverMedia. I feel it's the perfect starter kit for beginners on YouTube. Out of all those products, I really love the microphone. The mic quality was very good, and the capture card was also doing a good job. The only thing I felt was the webcam quality could have been better. Coming to the price, this kit costs around 19,000 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.